So let us start with this problem. You need to show that 6x minus x square is equal to 9i given the matrix X. Let's first find out 6x. 6x is equal to 6 into, and now you multiply everything. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. And 6 into 2 will give you 12. Now we proceed to find out x square. X square is the product of x and x. So let us find the product. First row, first column. 4 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1. This is first row, first column. Next, first row, second column. 4 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Okay. Next, second row, first column. So minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1. Check the matrix multiplication and let me know if you're not able to understand. Next, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. So the resulting matrix that you're going to get here is 15, 6, minus 6, 3. Okay. So now we find out, we need to show that 6x minus x square is equal to 9i. So we start from the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 6x minus x square. Put the values. 24, 6, minus 6, 12. This is 6x minus x square. 15, 6, minus 6, 3. Subtract the two matrices, you get 24 minus 15, 6 minus 6. Next you get minus 6 and then minus of minus 6. And then you get 12 minus 3. So you get here 9, 0, 0, 9. This is you're getting as your left hand side. Right hand side, what do you have to show? This is equal to 9i. Right hand side is 9i. Now identity matrix, because we are dealing with matrices of order 2, so identity matrix will also be a matrix of order 2. So now multiply all this, you get 9, 0, 0, 9. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Clear with this problem? We move on to the next problem, number 18. Now, according to problem number 18, show that one, two, 2, 1 is a solution of the matrix equation is a solution of the matrix equation x square minus 2x minus 3i is equal to null matrix, where I is a unit matrix of order 2. Obviously, because we are dealing with matrices of order 2. So I should be a unit matrix of order 2. Even if it's not written, you can assume I to be unit matrix of order 2. Okay. We start by calculating x square. Matrix multiplication. Check the multiplication. First row, first column. First row, second column. Next, second row, first column. Second row, second column. This is x square you're getting. Okay. Next, we proceed to calculate 2x. We get here 2 into 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. And 2 into 2 is 4. Now, what do we need to find out here? If you see, we need to.
Sir, 2 into 2.
Which one? What happened?
No, sir, no, sir. That.
Okay. So this is, you need to show that this is a solution of this matrix equation, right? So what you do is you put the value of all this on the left hand side and check whether you're getting a null matrix. So you have x square minus 2x minus 3i. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus 3i. Let us check whether we are getting a null matrix here. Put the value of x square. The value of x square that we have got here was 5, 4, 4, 5. 2x above we have got here as 2, 4, 4, 2 minus 3. Identity matrix of order 2. Yeah, now let's simplify this. First one, 5 minus 2 minus 3. Second one, 4 minus 4 minus 0. Next is 4 minus 4 minus 0. And next is 5 minus 2 minus 3. You see that all the elements
Sir,
here.
all 0.
So that means this is equal to null matrix. So what have we got here? X square minus 2x minus 3i is equal to a null matrix. So hence x is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1 satisfies the matrix equation. X square minus 2x minus 3i is equal to null matrix. That's it. So if you have no question, then we can move on to the next problem, number 20. number 20, the question here is, if A is equal to 1, 1, x, x, find the value of x so that A square is equal to null matrix. You need to find such a value of x that A square must be equal to a null matrix. Let us first find out A square. A square is equal to A into A, which is equal to 1, 1, x into, multiply these two matrices, first row, first column. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into x. Next, first row, second column, 1 into 1 plus 1 into x. Next, second row, first column, x into 1 plus x into x. Second row, second column, x into 1 plus x into x. So you get here 1 plus x. Here you get 1 plus x. Here you get x plus x square. And here you get x plus x square. You've got the value of a square. Now, how should what should be the value of x? The value of x should be such that a square is equal to null matrix. So that means, according to the problem, a square is equal to null matrix. Put the value of a square, 1 plus x, 1 plus x, x plus x square, x plus x square is equal to null matrix of order 2. Okay. Now see here, this is something that is very interesting. See, if two matrices are equal, then first of all, what can you say? 1 plus x must be equal to 0. And what else can you say? These two will give you 1 plus x is equal to 0, right? Both of them give you the same. You don't need to write them twice. These two, if you consider, this will give you x plus x square is equal to 0. Both of them, this one as well as this one. So in fact, you're getting two equations. Note this and here. Okay. So that means here you have x is equal to -1 and x into x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to -1, and from here what do you get? Either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to -1. See, here we are getting OR here. I have an AND here, I have an OR here. So what should be the value of x? So x is equal to -1, and can x is equal to, is this possible? X is equal to -1 and x is equal to 0. Not possible, right? So which one is possible? X is equal to -1 only, right? And x is equal to -1. Possible. Hence, x is equal to -1. Clear with this? We'll move on to the next problem. Number 26. The question here is, find the value of x given that A square is equal to B, where A is equal to 2, 12, 0, 1, and B is equal to 4x 0, 1. That is what you have. Okay. Question is find the value of x given that a square is equal to b. So such a value of x that a square must be equal to b. Now this is very similar to the last problem, except that we have a square is equal to b here. In the last problem, we had a square is equal to a null matrix. So first thing is we calculate a square. First row, first column. Next, first row, second column. Next, second row, first column. Second row, second column. So what is the value of a square you're getting here? This is what you're getting, the value of a square. Now according to the problem, a square must be equal to b. The value of a square, the value of b, and therefore what do you get from here? X is equal to 36, right? That is the required value of x. Any question? Next, number 29. The question here is find xy if -2, 0, 3, 1, -1, 2x, +3, -2, 1 is equal to twice y 3. Okay, in fact this is a matrix equation. You need to find such values of x such that this equation is satisfied. So we start with this equation. So we have -2, 0, 3, 1, -1, 2x, -2, 1, twice of y3. Multiply these two matrices. How will you multiply these two matrices? First row, first column. You have only one column in the second matrix. So -2 into -1 plus 0 into 2x. Right? So first row, first column over. There is no second column. So that's it. And now we have a second row, first column. So 3 into -1 plus 1 into 2x. Okay, plus 3 into minus 2 will give you minus 6, and 3 into 1 will give you 3, is equal to, here you multiply 2 throughout, 2y, and you get 6 here. Simplify this, you will get here 2, and you get here 2x minus 3, plus minus 6, 3 is equal to 2y, 6. Be careful with the signs. You have addition here, so 2 plus minus 6, and you have 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 2y, 6. 2 minus 6 will give you minus 4, and here plus 3 minus 3 will cancel, so you simply get 2x is equal to 2y, 6. So then now these two matrices, same order, they are equal. Corresponding elements must be equal. That means minus 4 must be equal to 2y, and 2x must be equal to 6. That means you have 2y is equal to minus 4, and x is equal to 6 by 2. That means you get y is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to 3. And that is your solution. Right? That is what you have to find out the value of x and y. Okay. We move on to the next problem then, which is number 32. Given a is equal to this, uh, if a is equal to, question here is if a is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2, find x and y such so that a square is equal to xa plus yi. Now see here, x is a scalar here. Okay, x is not in the matrix. X is not a matrix. Both are scalars or numbers. Okay. So first we find out a square. Multiply these two. First row, first column. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Next, first row, second column. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2. Second row, first column. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Second row, second column. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2. So a square, you're getting here as 7, 12, 4, 7. This is a square. Now you need to find out the value of x and y. So let us first find out xa. X is a scalar. Xa is equal to x into 2, 3, 1, 2. So this becomes 2x, 3x, x, 2x. And yi. I is an identity matrix of order 2. So according to the problem, a square is equal to xa plus yi. Put the values. A square we have got above as this. Xa we have got above as yi we got as this is what we get. So now according to the definition of equality, what do we get here? Equate these two. 2x plus y must be equal to 7. And even this will give you the same thing. You get 2x plus y is equal to 7. And what do you get? You get 3x is equal to 12, right? And what do you get? You get x is equal to 4. These three you are getting. So that means you get 2x plus y is equal to 7 and x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4. So getting the value of x is equal to 4. So how to get the value of y? Put x is equal to 4 in this equation. Putting x is equal to 4 in 2x plus y equal to 7. We get 2 into 4.
2 into 4 into 4 plus y equals to 7. 8 plus y equals
We
to
get y is equal to minus 1. Hence, what are the values of x and y? X is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. That's it. Okay. Now we move on to the next problem, and it appears that the next problem is what? Number 33. Okay. Number 33. The question here is, if P is equal to 2639 and Q is equal to 3xy2, find x and y such that PQ is a null matrix. Okay. Very similar to the earlier problems, except that we have to find PQ here. So let's first find out the product PQ. PQ is equal to 2639 into 3xy2. So what should be the resulting matrix? First row, first column. 2 into 3 plus 6 into y. First row, second column. 2 into x plus 6 into 2. Second row, first column. 3 into 3 plus 9 into y. Next, second row, second column. So 3 into x plus 9 into 2. So you're getting here 6 plus 6y. You get 2x plus 12 You get 9 plus 9y, and you get 3x plus 18. Okay. So now according to the problem, PQ must be equal to a null matrix. PQ is equal to null matrix. PQ is this matrix. And a null matrix of order 2. So that means 6 plus 6y must be equal to 0, and 9 plus 9y must be equal to 0, and 2x plus 12 must be equal to 0, and 3x plus 18 must be equal to 0. So from here you get y is equal to -1, and here you get y is equal to -1, and here you get x is equal to -6, and again you get x is equal to -6. So what are the values? Hence x is equal to -6 and y is equal to -1. Any question here? No question? Then I'll stop here. Okay.